Hey Regal fans, this is Bailee Madison here. Check out this exclusive featurette from my new movie, The Strangers Pray at Night. Get tickets on the Regal mobile app or regmovies.com and get ready to uncover the darkness in theaters.
Jesus, we are late.
You expect something else from this family?
No, I do not.
The Strangers is about our family. We spend the night in a trailer park.
This place seems empty.
I think everybody leaves after Labor Day.
And shortly after settling in, things start getting a little odd.
This is nice, right?
There's someone else staying here?
Of course, anyone who's a fan of the first one knows the very famous scene of knocking on the door.
Is Tamara home?
I think you have the wrong trailer. Which just makes my skin crawl.
I thought we were all alone.
What the hell?
We're systematically hunted down by these masked strangers. And then a bit of horror ensues.
Get out!
We don't know who the strangers are, and they have absolutely no reason to do it. That's what's scary.
How will they survive? It's this unimaginable terror.
They have to learn to fight back.
Let her go!
Are you gonna shoot me?
Whatever it is you're doing, just stop.
But we've just started.